Yo, HyunA's attitude at area performance video. I'm not ready. What is? Oh, damn. Okay, core. Oh, she slammed that. Boom. Okay, hold up. Hey, yo. Bro, low-key, I joke about... I've seen the teaser for this part. Like, this right here. I swear to God, Bretman Rock did this before. Did this first, where it was like a middle finger through the egg. Oh. Ooh. Hold up. Can I look at you again? Oh my goodness. Hey. Okay. Oh shit. Oh damn, my feet. Okay. Oh my god, she's so iconic. The dances are iconic. Oh my god. HyunA's HyunAing. She doing her thing. Oh, she said 365 I'm wanted. Ooh. I do want it too. Oh, that scene's kind of crazy. Crystal head in Malibu. Ooh. Miss HyunA. Ooh. Oh shit. She was all bloody in the face there. Oh. Was that someone being burnt? Oh, she's on her. This kind of reminds me of Madonna a bit. Like, what's that song? Oh, her freaking top says boss bitch on her titties. Sorry. Oh, I'm low-key high-key salivating from the mouth. Okay, Miss HyunA. Very Madonna, yeah.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.